Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look again at the Brisk Teaching Extension, and this one we're going to go ahead and we have the same link from before the Revolutionary War, and we're going to select presentation. And I want to show you what it can do. Now within here, we're going to keep it at 9th grade, 10 slides and without images. And the reason without images is because if you can pay for it, but it does cost money with images. You can also see in here your options for your slides. I'm going to choose light. You could pay for it, which will give you those other paid for options. So we'll go through, you'll see the 10 slides that it creates for you automatically. Make sure you go through, check them out. You could stop generating if you don't particularly care for how it's being generated, and then you could start it again. Now, what's really nice is once it goes through those 10 slides, you have some options. Right away, it comes up. You could say, hey, rate the response if you want to do that. Do you want to translate into another language? Do you want to add some more slides? Do you want to add a quiz, a vocab list? And a vocab list would be great. So go ahead. You can select right in here, and it's going to go ahead and create a vocab list. Again, you do have your options. If you want better content, upgrade to Educator Pro. But I'll go through, and I want to show you one more thing that it does right away. Do you want it shorter? Do you want to make it longer, less detail, more detail? Again, how would you like to do that? So it's great to have all these options right away. And if you select Boost It, here's what happens with that. You have Engage, Assess, Write, which isn't there yet, and Reflect isn't there yet. So if we select Engage, let's just take a look at this. And let's do, actually, let's do a tutor. Why not? So again, create a tutor activity with this document. Here it is, your Boost activity is ready. So what does that look like? Again, you could share this link specifically with them. You could also preview and edit. So if you want to see what it looks like, preview and edit. So right in here, you're going to see all this information is in here. The tutor is ready right over in here for them. So if they select, let's go, it does remind them chat's visible to the teacher. Wow. So they can go ahead. It means that they would not have a say. Let's just put that in. See what they say. Okay. Now, I'm going to put something in. This is dumb. How about that? So, again, you as the teacher will be able to see that. We'll take a look at more of this in the future and how you can use it, but really, really powerful stuff to take a look at. So there you go. If you do have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.